Upgrade your Volkswagen New Beetle's sound system effortlessly with this Professional Installer Series installation kit. Specifically designed for the 1998 to 2008 VW Beetle. This kit includes everything you need for a seamless installation, including the necessary hardware for a perfect fit. The unique side clips make installation fast and simple, while the ISO DIN-DIN compatibility ensures that your new radio fits snugly into your car's dashboard. Made in the USA, this installation kit is engineered to provide a secure, reliable fit, even for the curved design of the new Beetle's dashboard. Whether you're replacing an old unit or upgrading to a new one, this kit ensures your new radio looks great and functions flawlessly. It's a perfect choice for anyone who wants to add a modern touch to their classic Beetle while maintaining a clean, professional look. Don't miss out on this essential upgrade. Click the link in the description to buy the Volkswagen New Beetle single DIN installation kit today and make your next radio upgrade hassle-free.